It's nice looking phone, guys. You see, no screen at all, nothing. What is this? So I got two Lumias again, guys, for you. Welcome back. Hey guys, how are you? So today we are going to see something else. Uh, Another comparison video between Windows Phone 8.1 to Windows 10 Mobile. I guess so. It's red one is 10 Mobile, yeah. So I first posted that video, I think 3 months back. I will give that video link in the description, so maybe you can check it out there. And I guess that was some very old build 10518 518. I guess that was the one. And at that time I've shown you comparison between how it differs Windows 10 Mobile and Windows 8, which one is good for performance, whether you should really update your phone or not. So today we are going to do again one, and this one here, Windows 10 Mobile is running the latest build 10.586.63, and I've already shown you a quick video. Maybe you can watch it and check out there if you haven't. But so let's begin. So as of now, the phone is switched off. So I want to give you guys a start. How does it start and takes a boot time? So maybe you can carefully watch it in case you have a Windows Lumia 520 and you have planning to upgrade Windows 10 Mobile, and if you have planned to. So before we start, guys, let me tell you a few facts. And everybody loves their tech, so do I. That's why I actually own a 3 Lumia 520, and one of them is got scrapped. Some reason is display is broken, so I'm not able to present here. So I got two one here, and each tech is not universal. That you have to accept it whenever any tech is designed. So it is designed based on the current market standard and what software is going to run. It's being designed so that whether it is really what is the maximum it can support that software. So this Lumia 520, when it is designed, it's just dual core 1 gigahertz processor. It's 2.5 years back, and that time it was running Windows Phone 8, and Windows Phone 8 was designed just to handle the dual core capabilities only, not even quad and octa-hexa, nothing at all. So if you guys don't know the Lumia 1020, which I'm filming right now, if you don't know the story when it was designed, Nokia wants to put it at least uh, quad core processor, because already Snapdragon was released that time, Snapdragon 400, but that Windows Phone 8 it was running that time is not supporting, as I said, quad core. So that's why it has been equipped with 2 gigs of RAM and just Snapdragon S4. So that's a limitation, guys. Like the 640 XL, it's been Snapdragon 400. It's current market standard and it's worked very fine with 1 gigs of RAM. And now coming to Lumia 520 again. So let's boot it on and see which one works better. So the red guy here is Windows 10 Mobile build 10586.63, and the black one, the black dude here is Windows Phone 8.1. I have updated, just rolled back from the latest 10 mobile build. It was doing very slow kind of, so I just thought to give you guys a quick view how does it compares, and maybe you can feel it. And if you have to understand it, it's not machine human, and it has machine is just designed to the maximum it can give. So to be honest, this phone is not designed to run Windows 10 mobile. Maybe you will be enjoying it more with Windows Phone 8.1, so like I and everybody else. And for the field purpose, you can definitely try to upgrade it, and maybe you can revert it back. I already have links and videos, you can use it, revert back. Okay, so let's begin it instead of wasting time. So I'm just going to power on both devices together, so feel it which one comes faster. So here we go. So this one got the vibration first, and this Windows Phone 8.1 got a little later. Let's see which one comes in front of you here. I will just keep that on his side here. I don't like this guy. Come on, God. So see which one comes faster in both. Even if I have seen Lumia 520 running Windows Phone 8, and when I use it for some time, it was very quite fast. I mean, see, Windows Phone 8.1 boots very faster than compared to Windows 10 Mobile. So obviously you can see the initial impressions are better than Windows 10 Mobile. It's still putting up, and it got hung up little on the lock screen. You can see at the moment it's little fraction here, and here it comes. Then you can see lots of delays. I updated every apps, nothing at all, nothing is alert. So by the first glance, even if I change it and rotate it here, maybe you guys not able to decide it. And if you see, the only way to distinguish it, few things are there. The first thing, if you haven't noticed, the tile size for the Windows 10 mobile is actually uh, bit wider, you can say. You can feel there there are very screen gap here in front of tile and bezel, you can see. I will show you guys here in this very closer look. So right here you can see this one has a more gap here, and this has a little gap here, and that got much wider tile. I can say 10 to 15%. And other thing is there, you can notice the, see, kind of a little fridge, I don't know, updated to latest one. The battery icon is a little different here, and I need to lock it first. Some problem with Windows 10 Mobile on Lumia 520. See, now it's scrolling. You can see here only difference there. Uh, the battery is a little bit, and apart from that, if you just navigate it here, then you can see the differences here. This one got a little thinner and got a little wider, got more, and there's no expand capabilities, just all settings here which you have moved to here, and everything else is same, so you won't notice much. And here to swipe it back again, you need to use that. You can do this in that way, like you can press any area, you can do that. You need to come back here and see, you need to touch here and go back, or you can directly press back to go there. So this is all there. So I try to lay out in the similar way, so that both can look feel, and there are some differences here. For example, the Windows Phone 8.1 still has the Lumia camera, in case you love it. So many guys have asked the questions, and let me tell you guys one more thing. So the this again another video, the purpose of this is you guys only, especially, and thanks a lot for lots of thankful comments and appreciations for this my efforts. I really do it for you guys, and I love to. I want to show you guys and feel something. So many people have asked whether this device is working slow, battery is hanging up, not able to freezing thing, showing thing, lots of stuffs are there. So I really wanted to give you guys a clear differentiation. I mean, there is no need for Windows 10 mobile to have a Lumia 512. This device is not designed actually for that. And let's begin here. So I have tried to arrange, you can see, the contact dialer, and we will try to open a few of the apps together, and we will see which one has a multitasking better and which one is loading faster. So I try to use a couple of things like Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp. There's nothing we configured, just downloaded, because I, they are two different account. You can't use a two phone to the same account, they will block things. So I don't want to do that myself. So we will first try to open things together, and we will first open this uh, phone dialer in front of you. See, Windows Phone 8.1 load faster, and we'll open the messaging app here. Even it at the moment it opens first, but it comes actually later. And this Windows Phone 8.1 loads better, and it has the Internet Explorer and it has a Microsoft Edge. And let's see which one comes first. See, uh, on each app, the Windows Phone 8.1 running, it loads faster. And let's see how the Outlook apps performs here. So I will try to put it together. You can see it's loading. It still shows a splash screen time. So I haven't found any app which shows as delayed. And let's see, store again. We have, you can see here, it's loaded. It's still loading. So many things are here, still trying to load up, and I don't know what they are rolling when they are connecting to the same server, and it's able to load it faster. And there's little bit store difference UI also, you can see here. You got some couple of highlighted apps here that are, and some different things. And earlier you got this navigation here, and this has been changed to this hamburger menu because this is universal app concept, so it has been moved for that one. Maybe I try to do something else here for you guys. I move this phone here, and let me arrange it so that you can view it in better way. So I guess, and that's feel good now. I can to move my laptop here, and this sounds nice now. Yeah guys, so let's begin again. And so restore we have done, and let's move to another app. People app, I can say open it. So even 99% chance are there, each app on Windows Phone 8.1 loads much faster. And Office app has been, you got the integrated apps, everything in one. And here Windows and mobile, you can see. And also I will show you some frame drop here. You can see the minor tile sizes here, right? Notice it clearly. You can see some linings came up. Uh, Like you can see some of the horizontal vertical lines came up there. So that's called pixelation problem here with this Windows 10 mobile if you run it Lumia 520. So Office we can check it right now because this is both different app. So maybe I will try to come up later. And this Windows camera versus Lumia camera, let's see which one loads faster. So approximately same Lumia camera and both are same. Windows camera is quite a bit fast and loading. I will say that because I'm using both. And here maps is there in the Windows Phone 8.1, and by default the Windows 10 mobile comes with this Windows Maps. So let's see. Here maps a bit slow because it needs something else, and it's again hamburger base. And so we move here, and you got this one hand mode here, and let's see how the settings work here. So setting is open here. So the setting loads much faster here. Again, coming to the calendar app we have here. Sorry, let's open first. Again in camera, and so here is the calendar app. See, this one is first again Windows Phone 8.1, and now we will see the mixed radio. This needs some configuration. I haven't done. I said I just reset it both. So almost same, a fraction of delays. So let's see Photos app. Windows Phone 8.1 wins. It loads faster. It's still loading. And Groove Music is there. And here we have this music app. So try to see both. This one is a newer one. Still it loads slower. So there guys, we can see any app you open Windows Phone 8.1 always wins in Lumia 520, especially even in weekend I ran on the so many devices. Windows Phone 8.1 is still faster. And what we have here, see the weather app here. So we'll try to open this MSN weather. Even sometime it happens I press this one is later 520 running 8.1, but still it loads faster. So you can see it. Weather also loads faster here. And we'll see how this Cortana comes here. See, it loads faster here. I need to change some region and all out there, but still it's loading in Windows 10 mobile. And let's see how the WhatsApp opens here. See, came very soon. There's no loading and resuming. Everything is came immediately fast. Same app works better in Windows Phone 8.1 in question to Lumia 520. So we have seen most of the apps. Let's see OneDrive. How does it comes? It's a universal app that has some different UI. So what the one see still loaded and still loading. So guys, there are lots of example you can see. So that's just a quick video guys, in case you want to feel any specific game demo Windows 10 mobile Lumia 520. Even I have tried to play it, shown you Asphalt 8 Airborne. That too runs quite slowly. There is no GPU support, so there was no graphic setting option. So everything I will say, the final verdict is the Lumia 520 is not designed. This is still I love this device, and I that's why I degraded to Windows Phone 8.1, and I'm using this one just to guys feel your demo and to find any bugs and all. Otherwise I will love to have it the Windows Phone 8.1 because this guys feels really champ in the 512 RAM and this dual core this one Windows Phone 8.1. So hopefully guys use I've tried whatever I tried to tell you and say you maybe you have understood. And even if you have 520, maybe you can just for sake of see how the Windows mobile is, you can try to upgrade it and you can downgrade it easily if you don't have any problem. Otherwise stay happy with Lumia 520 then Windows Phone 8.1. And if you still love Windows 10 mobile, if you're still Windows Phone fan, so try to buy some very cheaper Lumias. They are nothing much. You can buy even 640, and so many Nokia phones like 730 price has been dropped, and they all work very fine with Windows 10 mobile. So stay tuned guys, and thanks for watching. Give me thumbs up if my findings and things are correct, and don't forget to subscribe me to watch more. Let me in the comments what else you want to see, and we'll talk to you next video. And thanks for watching.